Okay, so we are doing our mid-module review. So 163 times 792, ready? So we always start on the one side. So 2 times 3?
6.
Okay, 2 times 6? 12. So 2 here, carry the 1. Okay, Mohammed, whiteboard. 2 times 1?
2.
Oh, okay. 2 plus 1?
3.
3. Cross out that 1 so we don't accidentally use it again. Okay, so now we are in the tens place. So we have 9 in the 10. So add your 1 power of 10 first. So now we have 9 times 3. 27.
Yeah.
So 7 here. Carry the 2 into the next column. Okay, 9 times 6.
9 times 6,
54. 54 plus 2. 56. 6 here. Carry the 5 over to the next column. 9 times 1. 9 plus 5. 14. Good. Okay. So now cross out these digits so we don't accidentally use them again. Now we are in the hundred place for 700. So add in 2 powers, plug in 2 powers of 10 first, and then start multiplying again. So now we have 7 times 3. 21. Okay, 1 here, carry the 2. 7 times 6. 42. 42 plus 2. 44. 4 here, carry the 4. 7 times 1. 7 plus 4. 11. Right there. Okay, last step is to add them all together. Good, Thomas. Okay, Mohammed. Following along. 6 plus 0 plus 0. 6. 2 plus 7. 9. 3 plus 6 plus 1. 10. 0 here, carry the 1 over. 1 plus 4 plus 4. Close. 9. 1 plus 1.
2.
2. 0 plus 1. 1. Good. So our answer is 129,096. Okay? Okay, so some of the problems on your test will look like these. Another problem will look like this, where you're going to estimate and then multiply, okay? So we're going to round and then check our answer with our estimated product. So checking our product. Remember, product is the answer to a multiplication equation. Okay. Read the instructions. Estimate first, then solve using the standard algorithm. So we have 1,397 times 639. So first let's round each of the factors. So 1,397, what should we round it to? 1,000? Or you could do like 1,400. Let's try both. Okay, and then what about 639? What should we round that to? 600? I would go with 600 as well. Okay, so now 1,000 times 600 equals, what's 1 times 6? 6. How many powers of 10 do we have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because these are whole numbers, this trick will work.
And then we do it standard.
And then 14 times 6. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so 12 times 6 is...
10 times 6
No,
is...
12 times 6.
Or 12 times
72.
6 is 72.
73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 84. Okay, so if we were to round to 1,400 times 600, we would get about 840,000. If we rounded to 1,000 times 600, we would get about 600,000. Okay? All right, so now we multiply using the standard algorithm. Ready? Okay, set it up on your whiteboard. 1,397 times 639. Thank you, Ledger. Thank you, Ariana, Emma, Bo. Thank you, Muna and Thomas. Thank you, Sophie. Okay, you got this one, Mohammed? There you go. Okay, so 9 times 7.
9 times 7 is 63.
Okay, so 3 here, carry the 6.
9 times 9 is
times
81 plus that
81
is
plus
87.
87. 7
7,
here, carry the 8.
9 times 3 is 27.
27 plus 8.
Plus 8 is 35.
I think so.
And then 9
9
times,
times
1,
1.
it's 12.
9, 10,
9
11,
times
12.
1, yeah.
Okay,
And then you
now I'm
carry
going
the
to
power
cross
of
these
10.
out. And now we're in the 10 place, so we're going to add 1 power of 10 and multiply. Okay, 3 times 7.
3 times 7 is
21, carry the 2.
3 times 9 is 27.
3 times 9, 27 plus 2.
Oh, 29.
29, so 9, carry the 2.
3 times
3
3
times
is
3.
9.
9 plus
Plus
2.
1 is 11.
11,
Carry the 1.
carry the 1.
And then 3 times 1 is 3 plus the 1 is 4.
Okay. Okay, now we're in the 100 place. So we need to plug in 2 powers of 10. 1, 2. And now let's multiply. I think I already used that one. Okay, so, oh, I forgot to cross these out so I don't accidentally use them again. Okay, 6 times 7.
6 times 7
42.
42.
2 here, carry the 4.
2,
6 times 9.
54.
54 plus 4.
58.
8 here, carry the 5. 6 times 3.
6 times
18. 18 plus 5. 23. 3 here, carry the 2. 6 times 1.
6 times 1 is 1 plus 3 is
6
8.
plus 2 is 8. Okay, what's our last step? To add it all together. Okay, 3 plus 0 plus 0.
3,
7 plus 1 plus 0.
8,
5 plus 9 plus 2.
16.
16, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8. 2, carry the 1. So it's 12. 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3.
9. I figured
9.
out.
0 plus 8. 8. So we have 892,683,
Yes.
which is pretty close to our
That's what I got.
this estimate, but 840,000.
It's close.
Okay, let's go on to another one. We have, wipe off your boards. Okay, ready? Okay, ready, Wahale? Next one. Use estimation and place value reasoning to find the unknown product. Explain how you know. So there's two parts to it, okay? Okay, so if 73 times 1,563 equals this, eyes over here, then what is 73 times 156 and 3/10? What is the same about these two problems? Ledger?
They have the same digit.
They have all the same digits.
But one just has decimal.
This one has a decimal. It has a tenths place. So the only thing that's going to be different with your answers is going to be what place value? The tenths. Okay? So copy these digits down over here. So 114,099. Don't put in your commas yet. Okay, so this factor has the 3 in what place value? What place value is the 3 in?
The place value is in the tenths.
It's in the tenths. So that means our product in this answer, this answer will be in the tenths. So the last digit all the way to the right will be in the tenths. So remember, the tenths is the decimal right off to the right. That is our answer. Okay? Explain how you know. So your explanation can be, I used
this in the past.
my estimating skills.
Do we write that?
Yes. Write it down. Thank you, Thomas. Sophie, Mohammed, write it down. Alejandro, Noah, write it down. Okay, I used my estimating skills and I know that the factor ends in the tenths place. Okay, Mohammed, watching over here. Thank you. Okay, next one. Ready? Wipe off your board if you need more space.
I said flower.
Okay, so if 98 times 768 equals this, then what is 98 times 7 and 68 hundredths? So what's the same about these two equations? Ariana?
One of them just has a decimal, but they're the same numbers.
They have all the same digits, right? 98, 98. 768, 7 and 68. So if we were to set these up, they would have the same digits that are being multiplied. Right? It'd be all the same steps to multiply all the same digits. The only thing that's different is that in the bottom, when you get your answer, you have to plug in your decimal for this second problem. What place value does it end in? 7 and 68 what? Hundredths. So that means your answer will be in the hundredths. So copy this product here. So 75264. Write it down, Mohana. So then the last digit, this is the last digit all the way to the right. This digit needs to end in what place value?
On the tenths or hundredths.
The hundredths. Hundredths, okay? So that means we would have to go here for hundredths. Right? Okay, explain how you know. I use my estimating skills, and I know that the factor ends in the hundredths place. Okay? Okay, one more. Ready? Okay, wipe off your boards. An alligator is 2 3/10 yards long. How long is the alligator in feet? So we're converting, right? We know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. How long is the alligator, Ariana?
I know this is probably wrong, but is it 6.3 feet?
No. Okay, how long is the alligator? An alligator is
2.3 yards.
2 3/10 yards. Right? We need to figure out it's equal to how much to something, but in feet. Noah, write it down. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
This is a hard one.
Okay, you got it, Mohammed? The alligator? Okay, so in order to change it from yards to feet, let's rewrite it. So 2 3/10 yards is equal to 2 3/10 copies of a yard. 1 yard.
Oh, I know what it is. It's 6.3
Write it down.
yards.
Sophie? Good, Mohammed. Keep going. So then, our next step is to change the 2 3/10. Did you write it down?
Yeah.
2 3/10 copies, but instead of 1 yard, we're changing 1 yard. That's equal to, how much is 1 yard in feet? 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So here we're switching it out to 3 feet. You know the answer? Okay, hold on, I'm almost there.
And I made a smooth.
Okay, so next we have 2 3/10 times 3. Okay, so we can set it up 23/10 times 3, right? Okay, 3 times 3 is?
9, and then that is 6, and then you got the decimal to make it 6.9.
Okay, so the alligator is
6.9.
6.9 feet.
That's a baby alligator.
That's how long the alligator is, which is way taller than I am.
It's probably a baby.
Probably. You got it?
Even though that's a giant.
Okay, any questions? Any questions? You got it? You think you're ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. It's only 4 questions. On question 7, I need you to try your best to answer 7A. If you get to 7B and you're confused, that's okay. Just try your best on 7B. Okay, take out your pencil. Well, actually, you can do it on Classkick or on paper. So raise your hand if you want it on paper. Sophie, mask up. Thank you. Okay, the rest of you get your Classkick assignment out, please. Yes, I'm ready. Both your masks, please. Paper or plastic? Sophie, paper or plastic? Okay, over here.
Can I take a picture of this?
Yeah, we have to
I gave him less than one. That's cute. Why is it just
Okay, so next thing I want to show you is that on your quickly, Mohammed. On your listen. Okay, so this is the rubric that I am using to grade your tests and your answers, okay? So on the Classkick assignment, these are all under each question. So for the first question, which is actually technically question number 3, my turn, 3, 2, my turn, 1. So for question number 3, you will get 1 point if you did not use the standard algorithm or any strategy to multiply. You'll get 1 point. You will get 2 points if you did not use the standard algorithm but used another strategy to multiply. You will get 3 points if you used the standard algorithm to multiply but made a few errors in the product. You will get, the most is 4 points. So you will get 4 points if you use the standard algorithm and correctly multiply to find the product. Okay? Then for the next question, here's how I will be grading it. So 1 point if you did not use the standard algorithm to multiply, I did not estimate the product either. 2 points, I did not use the standard algorithm to multiply, I tried to estimate the product. 3 points, I used the standard algorithm with a few errors, I tried to estimate the product. You will get the whole 4 points if you use the standard algorithm and correctly multiplied, so you got the correct answer, and you estimated the product as well. Okay, do you want me to go over the other 2 as well?
Yard.
Okay, so for question 5, which is actually your third question on your page, you will get 1 point if you did not give an answer and did not give an explanation. You will get 2 points if you gave an answer but had few errors and you gave an explanation. 3 points if you got a correct answer and did not give an explanation. 4 points if you got a correct answer and you gave an explanation. For both of the parts on question 5. So then question 7, you will get 1 point if you used incorrect reasoning in most parts of the task and few calculating errors. 2 points if I used some correct reasoning and was able to answer one part of the task. 3 points, I used correct reasoning but made a few calculating errors in both parts of the task. 4 points, I used correct reasoning, correctly calculated all parts of the task and written expression. Okay? Any questions? Raise your hand. All right. Yes, Ariana.
What if you did your best, but you got most answers wrong?
Well, if we look at question Well, yeah, question 4, if you look at the 3 points, even if you tried your best and you got the wrong answer, you still get 3 points for that one.
Oh.
Okay, get started. You have until recess time, which is at 9:45. So you have about 30 minutes for those 4 questions.
Is it the turn?
Just raise your hand. If you finish early, so do it's on Google Classroom. Oh. Once you finish that, you need to do Zerg. Okay, go ahead and get started.